Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Jamequa. So in my last Girl Talk video, I talked about how to love yourself more. Protecting yourself emotionally, mentally, and spiritually is an important part of loving yourself more. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a card on the screen. So in today's video, I want to talk about how to love yourself more by protecting yourself physically. Especially during this time in the world, I've heard a lot of stories from my friends about girls who weren't able to protect themselves. I also seen videos, like I'm pretty sure you all have seen those videos too, where girls would get into lifts and it's just a whole nother thing. And I'm making this video because in 2020, I don't want it to be any of you. Being 100% transparent with you all, I am also a survivor of dating violence. And in all of those situations, I was unable to protect myself physically, which left me in a very vulnerable state. So being able to protect yourself emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and physically is a part of loving yourself more. So before I get into this video, I'd like to thank SABRE Safety for sponsoring this video. All links will be in the description box below. So let's get right into this video. As you can see, I like to keep my pepper spray on my keychain. Yes, it's cute, but I know it's going to protect me. The pepper spray that I have is the SABRE Campus Safety Defense Pepper Gel. It's inexpensive. It can spray up to 10 feet. It also has a quick release keyring which prevents attacks when unlocking your home or car, which means you don't have to waste time pulling the key out. It has a 4-year shelf life and a flip top safety feature. The next product I have is the SABRE Safety Sun with LED flashlight. It includes a case you can carry it in. It's inexpensive. It has a flashlight, allows you to disorientate your attacker at a distance so you can use this far away or close up. It also includes a safety switch which prevents accidental use. One thing I like about SABRE Safety is that they provide free training videos which help you learn how to use their products and maximize your safety. So if you're interested in any of these products, I'll leave them in the description box below. Thank you all for watching this video, and always remember to love yourself more.